Several significant technological breakthroughs have occurred in the history of seismic recording equipment. The first major step was the transition from analog cable systems to digital telemetry cable systems. However, decades later, the cable telemetry has ceased to meet the modern seismic requirements. The next major step was the introduction of cable-free nodal systems, which had significant shortcomings. Unlike cable systems, they could not provide real-time data QC, line equipment, and noise monitoring on all channels. The aspiration to increase project efficiencies has created new requirements in the market and has led to the emergence of a unique technology which incorporates all of the best features of cable systems and eliminates the inefficiencies of handling large amounts of telemetry cables. The RT2 from Wireless Seismic is the only cable-free real-time seismic recording system that returns all the seismic data to the central recorder in real time. The RT2 allows significant increases in project efficiencies, is also highly suitable for frac monitoring, and provides assurance that high-quality seismic data has been acquired. The RT2 includes standard equipment, such as wireless modules called the WRU, which collect the geophone data at each receiver point, infrastructure for the transfer of seismic data in real time by means of wireless telemetry, a central recorder for management and control of all processes of data collection, full testing of the field equipment, and QC of all the seismic data. The RT2's proprietary data transmission technology is patented by Wireless Seismic and allows the instant transfer of seismic data over long distances with minimum power consumption. Data is transferred consecutively down the receiver line from WRU to WRU, then to an LIU that is deployed on each receiver line, and finally to a central recording system. The LIUs on each receiver line are connected together by either a fiber cable or by means of a high-speed radio bridge to the central recorder. Deployment of the WRUs at the receiver points is an extremely simple process. The WRUs are simple to turn on, and when powered on will begin self-testing, checking of the batteries, radio communications, and general state of health. The WRUs will then determine their coordinates and will transfer this information to the seismic recorder. LEDs on each WRU allow the deployment personnel to estimate the condition of the WRUs and quickly eliminate any faults. Laborers work without cables, and I can simultaneously control the line in real time. I would also like to note the lack of troubleshooting in comparison to other systems. The autonomy of the system allows it to work in the conditions of the far north for 25 days without the need to replace batteries. The RT2 is the only cable-free system that provides recording of all seismic data and control of the line in real time. The RT2 user interface is extremely simple for the observers, especially for those who already have experience with other systems. Beginners will also find the user interface to be quite simple. The observer can monitor and manage spread noise in real time, enabling seismic data recording of the highest quality. The RT2 is compatible with various source controllers, including SGD. QC of the seismic data is available immediately after each shot. Another feature of the RT2 is a unique feature called hybrid telemetry. Unlike cable systems, data will not be lost if there are breaks in the telemetry connection on the lines. If we have a line drop due to some problems with one WRU, we can later recollect all the missing data, which is impossible with cable systems. In case of line breaks, data is stored in the internal memory of the WRU, and after restoring communication, the missing data will be transferred to the central recording system and stored in the corresponding SegWi files. Even if WRUs are moved to a different position on the line, the missing data is still available and can be recollected when convenient for the observer. The emergence of the RT2 has proven to be the most productive technology, allowing to carry out complex projects, and is a key to the development of green seismic technology. Application of the RT2 on projects in Russia in recent years has convincingly shown its advantages, both in terms of economy and minimizing environmental impact. With this equipment, we've already finished our second project. The efficiency is very visible, and it's easy to use. Several crews in the world have demonstrated that using the RT2 cable-free recording system will fulfill projects with maximum efficiency and provide high-quality data. Wireless Seismic's RT2 is the path to success in modern seismic companies.